the clutch is acting up quite a bit. We have no power going uphill. That's probably going to be an issue. That's it. We decided we can't take it anymore.
Are you ready, baby?
Ready.
After we stayed in the wonderful city of Manang and saw this incredible mountain wall on our way down. Wow! We slowly made our way down the hill, through the last water crossings, puddles of mud and off-roading bits. But we could definitely feel it. The clutch was on its way out, and we were fighting our way back down the hill. Our hearts were bleeding as we tortured Tilly down. I had to be super easy on the gas, because too much gas straight away let the clutch slip. We also ran out of fuel, but this time we were lucky and the petrol station was actually open.
2,600.
2,600? Yeah.
65. 600.
Oh wait, they're 500, sorry. 2,000. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yep. Thank you. We did fuel up, that's good. We were running on very low fuel, 30 kilometers, but the clutch is acting up quite a bit. We have no power going uphill, so that's probably going to be an issue. We'll see if we can make it back to Kathmandu. Fingers crossed. Right, we just stopped at the restaurant to finally get some breakfast today. Maddie's still not feeling well. We did eat a little bit something wrong, I guess, yesterday, but that's okay. We're all acting up after Manang. We just stopped at the restaurant here and we need to cool Tilly down quite a bit more. So just gonna give her some water. The clutch is really, it's still working, but you can feel it. As soon as we go uphill and we accelerate a bit too much, then you can feel the clutch slipping and it's no good. It's no good. We really hope, we still have like 100 k's to go to Kathmandu. We really hope it's gonna work. We really hope that watering Tilly would do its magic, the same way it did when we went up Manang. But it just wasn't looking good. And since we are some lucky travelers, we straight away drove into a traffic jam caused by road clearings. That's not a traffic jam we need right now with 35 degrees. Exactly. We were down in the valley again with hot temperatures and high humidity. Add to it the stop and go from the traffic jam we were currently in, and you got the perfect recipe to break your clutch completely. tried to just keep rolling, but the traffic just didn't let us, which caused even more stress for the clutch. As we tried to gain some speed, you could clearly feel that not a lot was happening anymore, even just on a straight road. We just made it up another small hill, but there was no denying it anymore. We wouldn't make it back to Kathmandu. We had to give up. There was no point in torturing Tilly any further. In order to save her from even more damage caused by the broken clutch, we pulled in.
That's it. We decided that we can't take it anymore. We couldn't barely make it up that hill, as you just saw. It's like 10 kilometers per hour. We have 80 kilometers to go to Kathmandu, and we decided we're not going to torture Tilly anymore. That's it. We're going to stop here, organize a lift to Kathmandu, and yeah. I asked Tilly to just get us down from Manang, and she did that. So good job, Tilly. From now on, you can rest, and I'll take care of you as soon as we're back in Kathmandu. See you there. Boom, boom.
Alright, so status update in what was 15 minutes now. We talked to the first guy who called the second guy, who spoke to a third guy over there. He then called a few other guys, and in like I said, 20 minutes we organized, or they organized, a van for us, a truck, and yeah, of course we have to pay them, but we're happy to do that to go back to Kathmandu. That's insane. We feel like in the middle of nowhere, but within 20 minutes they organized it, and the truck's here ready, so we're gonna load up Tilly and then go over. And it's insane. The traffic is really hard here right now. It's very off-roady. It's insane. The people are so friendly in Nepal. They just help us straight away, and we're so lucky and very thankful that this happened. So the guys over there, they just helped us. But interesting, just 20 minutes ago there was a little landslide over there which caused all of this traffic happening.
And we were there almost 20 minutes
ago with 10 kilometers per hour, so the landslide was probably faster than us coming down the hill. Fun fact, most monsoon triggered landslide have an average speed of around 8 meters per second, which is 30 kilometers an hour, and can reach up to 28 meters per second. That means they move at least as fast as city traffic speed, and often as fast as highway speeds at 60 to 100 kilometers an hour. So yes, it was definitely faster than us. While doing the research about landslide speeds, I found out about Nepal's craziest landslide, the Tseogori landslide in Langtang Valley. Apparently, thousands of years ago, an entire mountain slope just collapsed. The debris shot down the valley at something like 450 kilometers an hour. That's faster than a jet on takeoff, and buried everything for kilometers. You can still see the massive scar on the landscape today.
Sorry, we got a bit sidetracked. Back to the story of us not moving at all.
Truck's coming, so let's get organized.
We pushed Tilly to the transporter to load her up. Oh. How many men will it take to lift Tilly? And while climbing on the truck with the guys, Ollie hit his head hard on the rail.
In nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritus Sancti.
Of course, I played it cool. Nothing happened. What are you talking about?
You're dripping, darling.
No.
Tilly is all strapped in, ready for the bumpy 3-hour ride home.
Strapped in Nepal style with a jumping rope. But no, it's really solid. It's really
Yeah,
good.
looks good.
Look, the whole truck's moving when I move Tilly. All strapped down, ready to go. All strapped out, and I'm just joking.
Later. That's not going anywhere. And just like that, we were on our way, on 4 wheels, with Tilly loaded up, direction Kathmandu.
So I really think I should sit in the middle.
No, it doesn't make a difference.
My arms doesn't as big as yours.
Well, yeah, but I'm...
The whole journey took us another 3.5 hours due to the bad road conditions and a lot of traffic. We realised that we would have never made it to Kathmandu with this slow traffic. The heat of 35 degrees and all uphill. We were happy that we made our decision. And with darkness, we made it back to Kathmandu.
Slowly, slowly, slowly. Oh, yeah, there you go.
With our most favourite security guard in the world, Rana, waiting for us. And the true gentleman that he is, he of course straight away jumped towards us to help us unload Tilly.
There we go. That's okay. Now we have to go that way. Break. Yeah. And we can go this way. Babe, can we go that?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's fine. There's a little path down there.
Yeah. A little bit more. Yeah.
You sit, you drive, you sit.
What? No, but I'm
Come
happy.
on, you just sit it. Yeah, no, I will push it. Slowly.
Wait, where are you going?
Well,
Going
I'm
home.
rolling here now, babe. Come on.
Hang on, let me get rid of the rocks.
Can I push?
Nope.
Can I push?
One second.
And with the last off-roading down our little unloading ramp, Tilly made it to her well-deserved break. Hey!
You sit.
5 minutes rest. 5 minutes rest.
5 minute break.
We did it.
ल भाइको उसको काम सकाइदियो नि त के भयो
With Tilly taking a longer spa break, we straight jumped into our next mission. As you might remember from episode 1,
No! You have to fill out the form again online and come back! Go!
we had to fly into India for a night to be able to activate our visa, so we can later ride into India via land border. What a happy mission. Right, as you can probably hear, we're just at the airport. After we had an amazing time with Tilly in Manang, we're now at the airport flying to India.
But after all of that, it's actually turned out to be a real blessing in disguise because we had to get Tilly's new clutch, which we cannot get anywhere in Nepal, and we have to get it in India, so it's kind of all worked out.
Yeah, fly to New Delhi, pick up the clutch, fly back to Kathmandu. Perfect plan. Yes, you heard right. After we contacted about 35 workshops, we couldn't find a clutch for Tilly anywhere in Nepal. But we had an appointment with Triumph India, and they promised us to have the right clutch plates for us. Since we were flying there anyway, we were at least able to put our expenditure to productive use. Welcome to India. Same day, just a couple of hours later, we were actually sitting at Triumph India with our spare clutch in our hands.
Someone's happy.
Yay!
What do you got in your bag of goodies, babe?
It's like Christmas. It's a new clutch. We got it. And yeah, it is like straight from Triumph, but that was the only chance we had here in India. In Nepal there was none, but India had one, but only original Triumph. So, got the good stuff.
Yeah, with it.
And we are back at the airport. Oh, crazy 2 days. But now we're back in Kathmandu, back home with a clutch. That's the important thing. We made it. Tired. It's time to fall in bed now. Maybe with a pineapple vodka, but we'll see. What a thing. Clutch's open now. Let's try to get the new ones in. Time. Clutch coming apart.
A big moment.
Look how we ruined her. And since we were there, I straight away did chain and sprockets as well. Full on treatment for Tilly.
Hello from Kathmandu, and we have been, I guess, offline for about a week doing all the repairs on Tilly.
Success! Feels like new again.
Yes, and today is actually our first outing, and it is at the National Championships here in Kathmandu. So it's pretty cool actually, because all the kids have travelled here from everywhere around Nepal, so it's a pretty big deal, and we're going to check it out.
Yes, you heard right. Yagrid called and invited us to the 7th National Skateboard Championship Nepal. An invitation we definitely couldn't turn down. The event was organized by the Nepal Skating and Skateboarding Association. And the winners qualified to represent Nepal at the World Skate Games that take place in Italy later that year. The skaters were getting ready for their run, and we would find our spot in the crowd to watch the competition. Good. I'm totally not getting pushed with my controls all the time. But the competition drew to a close and the winners were decided. Senior male winner was Basanta Rai, and for the senior female, 13-year-old Kuzi BK. Congratulations! We had an absolute blast that day, a lot of fun, good vibes only, and we felt that the spirit of skating is growing stronger and stronger in Nepal. Like Yagrid said, skating is for you, skating is yours, so go skate. We headed home and packed up. It was time to leave Kathmandu. We were on our way to Pokhara. Then we're gonna get the permit for the low Mustang. Can I go? Yeah? Okay. Alright, it stopped raining, so we're gonna take our chance here, take that window on. Let's go.